Welcome, everyone, to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're delving into the world of format specifiers in C programming. Format specifiers are crucial for formatting input and output in a way that makes sense to both programmers and users. Format specifiers are placeholders used in functions like printf and scanf to define the type and format of the data being input or output. They help C understand how to interpret and display data. Let's go through some commonly used format specifiers in C. %d represents an integer. %f represents a floating point number. %c represents a character. %s represents a string. %p represents a pointer. %x or %x represents an integer in hexadecimal format. In the printf function, format specifiers are used to specify the type of the variable that needs to be printed. For example, this will print my age is 25 years. In the scanf function, format specifiers are used to tell C how to interpret the input. For example, this will prompt the user to enter a number, and the %d specifier tells scanf to expect an integer. Format specifiers can be modified to represent different data sizes. For instance, %ld represents a long integer, and %lf represents a long double. Sometimes, escape characters like \n can be used in conjunction with format specifiers to control the formatting of output. Format specifiers are the language that allows C to communicate with you and your users. Understanding how to use them in printf and scanf functions is key to presenting and interpreting data effectively in your C programs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Happy coding!